Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Super great having you guys here today, and it's cool to be doing another video for you today. So today guys, basically I want to share with you a new money making app which I basically start using today. So let's get straight into the video. So yes guys, but before I do that, I just want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing and subscribing. I hope you guys have been doing well. I hope you guys have been learning and also earning. So yes guys, so basically guys, what I want to say to you also is just remember to stack the socials. And if you're new to my channel, I will leave some money making apps where you're able to do that in the description down below. Also, I have a money making app playlist called with a name for stats. You can check that playlist out, and you can find tons of free money making apps where basically I personally use to earn free satoshis daily. So yes guys, when it comes to online money making apps, so today I want to share with you a PayPal money where you can cash out PayPal. So it's a similar app to Cash Day. It's called Cash Dreams. So this is how it looks, and just want to share with you guys. Firstly, they only offer PayPal money. So if you're interested in cashing out only PayPal money, I will leave the link in the description down below for you. So it will be super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. Also, what I want to share with you guys that I did cash out some PayPal money, 1 cent. So just to get sure and be sure to you guys that they do pay out, I just gotten paid out. So you can see PayPal money 1 cent and it says paid, right? So keep all that into consideration. What I'll do also, I will post the earnings on my YouTube post so you guys can see all those cash out, so you guys can get an understanding of oh I've been cashing out and all the money making apps that I've been cashing out. So this money making app, their goal is um the perfect tips for cashing out online money making apps, which is fast cash out, basically their good integrity, and the next one is basically um, playing games and earning online. So just to keep that into consideration guys, if you're interested in playing games, what you want to do, you want to press the earn money button. And once you press the earn money button, what you're gonna happen, you're gonna go over to this platform here and you're gonna just agree to uh the terms and condition. You also want to turn on the allow tracking. This is reason why they're gonna track you on the your app that you're playing the game, so they can give you your points, so you can use your points to cash out. So you want to ensure that all of that is on. So let's find this app. It's called Cash Dreams. It's right here and it was off. So we're going to turn it on. So now that we do that, they're going to able to cash check um our app, right? So yeah. So now what we want to do, once you do that, you're able to get your apps and then you can start earning. So now that we have done that, we're gonna just wait for that to load up because I've just started using the money making app. So yes guys, the next thing that I'm gonna share with you guys is basically their payout. I'll share that with you already, their payout. Now they have a invitation. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave my invitational link in description down below for you. So it'll be super easy for you to just click the link and make your very own account so you can start earning. So yes guys, so that's basically it for this money making app. It's just a really simple app. As I said before, if you know the money making app Cash Day, it's very similar to Cash Day. So yes guys, and what I want to show you guys too is that their cash out is very low. The only money making app I see with this cash out is Alpha Game. Alpha Game has a low cash out also, and they do pay out instantly. So this if you're interested in money making apps that pay out instantly just by playing game, this earning app is one of them guys. So just to keep all that into consideration, so what I'll do, I'll just press the invite button and then I'll just send you guys the link. So before I go, guys, just want to say, always remember, never forget, keep smiling and keep shining. Bye, guys.